Master Java with these fun coding games. Enhance your Java skills through interactive challenges. Learning to code in Java can be a rewarding and enjoyable journey, and there are various resources available to make the process more engaging. One effective approach to learning Java is through coding games and challenges. These interactive platforms not only enhance your coding skills, but also turn the learning experience into an enjoyable adventure. In this video, we will explore fantastic 5 coding games that can help you practice your Java skills while having fun. 1. Robocode, the epic robot battle. Robocode is a legendary open-source coding game that has captured the hearts of aspiring programmers for over 2 decades. Initially introduced in 2000, Robocode allows players to create their battle robots, coded in either Java or .NET, and pit them against other robots in real-time battles. It's an excellent way to grasp the fundamental principles of Java coding, robotics, and artificial intelligence, making it an ideal game for both newcomers and seasoned programmers. 2. Codewars, the Challenge Hub. Codewars is a web-based platform that offers a wide array of programming challenges and tasks to hone coding skills in multiple programming languages, including Java. With support for 21 programming languages and ongoing beta support for 17 more, Codewars provides a dynamic environment for solving tasks and enhancing your coding abilities. Points are awarded for task completion, with the reward value based on the elegance and efficiency of your solutions. 3. Codemonkey, learn while gaming. Codemonkey is an educational coding game designed for kids aged 6 to 13, but is suitable for learners of all ages. The game offers a fun and straightforward gameplay experience, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to grasp the basics of programming. It uses a programming language called CoffeeScript, which simplifies the learning process. Codemonkey's primary objective is to introduce players to fundamental programming concepts and principles. 4. Codingame, the challenge hub for developers. Codingame is a well-known web platform that offers an array of increasingly challenging puzzles to help developers hone their coding skills. It supports more than 25 programming languages, including Java, C, Python, JavaScript, Lua, Go, Rust, and many others. With its diverse range of tasks and puzzles, Codingame ensures that you stay engaged and continue to expand your coding abilities. 5. Elevator Saga, the ultimate programming challenge. Elevator Saga is a deceptively simple yet captivating game compatible with most modern programming languages, including Java. In this game, players can compete and challenge each other, with the results displayed on a leaderboard. The challenges presented in Elevator Saga are surprisingly engaging, considering the game's minimalist design. Thank you for watching this video.